This is Caritas in Cremona. And brother, nothing did this life. When I saw this guy just still suffer, she just still die. So for camp, for Caritas. One of our Nigeria brothers, they just the praise dancing, so they sick, so those who are almost going to 7 months now. So no, it's you know, person just they die for Italy. So one of our brother for Cremona from Milan side, so they sick, so those who are, you know, it's so I don't understand. This is the man here, the Don. This is the new Don they bring come. And come with the worst things for us, now. That was the push our brother, the enter our camp when we did before, and no stress. So since when they just carry this Don, they use the suffer Nigeria people anyhow. Can't go do gates, do many things for the house. Now only God just know. Now only God just know whether this guy is the person done since. The person done since. The press have done since. They even say me I no video. Even they rush me. They want collect for me. They say me I no video. I no agree. So me and see with the Nigeria person they suffer for Europe. No easy. Now person like us they die so. Now person like us they die so for Caritas. You see so. You don't see the end of Europe. Now this guy come give for the Europe. Now
now woman be the rap so.
Now they rap
so. For that see life. Where would they live for you?
So just because of Europe.
Ma per favore, rispetto però.
Say they won't call police because say the video there. Say we still. You see, now so they did deal. See the life. That person just died so. All the name of Europe. So, you now look well. Don't carry.
Now they kill this man.
My hand with the shake when I tell you. Oh wow.
They don't do anything. Don't die here. They don't die here. Upon the going.
So.
Make the video. You do the same video.
So. So, person just die, so you can't be like for hours. The person die, so when become Europe, when you get family, get everybody for hours. Then just die, so they sick. So those who are now because of hustle, what they do farm work. Now the guy in a camp he did, they never give a document. Almost going to 3 years to 4 years, then I did Europe. So at the end of the day, now I still die. So I don't just know. So now they rap and so. So now this one they call police now. One call police come. This one now one call police come. I know all of them. They're beautiful people. You see, now this one, when they make gado. No, I job with it. No. So.
Ask me now, what is this one they call police for now?
Police is the cause. So.
Now you go the call, not because of police.
You see, they say Nigeria no problem. Now they don't drug this guy blood. Now so blood. Brother, I'm dry. This I'm dry. Get it deal. This I'm dry. Get it deal.
Police is the cause.
If you don't even take time now, and I will just beat for you now, safe. All those people, eh?
Bastardo! É bullshit! Bastardo!
This guy just died. You
believe say this guy don't die?
This guy don't die. Whether I believe. You know,
Yeah, this show.
you know, we say this guy no even get blood for body again. Gold.
This guy will just batch away from nothing. We are for Nigeria. I don't talk. This man come from hospital. Doctor say they go to eat kitchen food.
You know, here what's the doctor tell us now? The person they give him money every day by day.
I swear to God, me no fit even talk again because the thing don't shock me. I don't fit talk. My myself, I don't fit talk again. As in, first they think, I don't understand. I don't know what I want to think again now because what I just see for this Europe self, the thing don't even tire me self. Shit. Now here the man just fall because the man not even wait, so that's why. They will say for they can't give one check, everything sit down for you. You don't see the camp, see how the camp can't even be. See the life of Europe. Now camp with this one. Show now see how they need so for now eye. So now here many people now they Nigeria they disturb their parents, they disturb their father, they disturb their brother, they disturb everybody. So you now see the suffer. You now see now here they live, they survive, so that's why. Why person not go even do this kind of place, not go even sick? Show you now see everywhere. God.
When I know they drug of black again like this. You don't do anything.
The Fed drug this guy blood then. Oh. You want to spoil this car? When they sick, they don't carry your blood. How many times they draw your blood? Talk. You don't even see whether you don't wear now, so you never even know. I don't want to touch you again. Maybe they go. You know. I go. My brother, what we did this camp? This camp not do like this, oh.
Drop every blood in drop.
Since when don't just come on for this camp, everywhere just change. Oh God. They just suffer our brother for a year. Now this year, this thing just start now. Wow. She suffer for you.
No be God, chef no be there.
Frank Alpha now.
If na no be the body baby, no be.
Now that guy, that man won't come on in. Ojo. My brother, both your brother, David toilet you away now. Me wash and vai Caritas away now. So when it's a mix travel with them, me all have it now. So me vai me also can help with them because all them you rest on another one. Me va, I say vai me mujahidi. So me help with them. Me ore David G, those guys in Nigeria. I mean, already one guy will vie. Yo, this guy don't dig bear. I mean, I met one person. I carry this guy in a road. This guy just dig ground. So the next thing, they would find the dawn answer. They don't see dawn. The couple of the camp. They don't see. And I go and the dawn. Don't know that go and le Frank. Abraham see yourself. Abraham yourself. I say take it 10 minutes. This guy now, just a robot more. So the next thing, Abraham say don't buy now. The guy don't ready to go because the guy don't take for hospital. Well, I don't really know more hospital. If we are dying now, only farm work we be no all new. You know, don't worry about your brother. Only farm work in need boy brother. Sheva ye hungry farm work, not survive. Make person survive. We go they do hard labor. At the end of the day, now I don't come out. But you know, I used to be. But you know that guy don't go. That brother, that boy, that man. That man went short when they did that center room now. I don't come on to the thing whip me now. You should see how the criminal side continue to suffer immigrant now for years now for Caritas. They just changed recently. When we did that time, they know the suffer us like this. So they done now self, and when the guy will for self now they don't. They first define, they stay calm. It's when they just put them they just change them for camp now, and also suffer, they suffer black. The people see don't do gate back and front. Come like say now cage the cage thing. Just the cage them like animal. So they don't even let sometimes now self and person don't even taste it. They'll say you don't take for you, they don't know more because this don't when really come, they don't know anybody. They will just pursue the person come out. If you just do anyhow, you will call police for you. The man has also police just because now this one be the Christian, when we say now this one go make the connection with the come the first done when we say they make black they happy for the city. So now then go gather for the gate side. So the guy really touched me. God. Nothing. What do you want? They want to do. What do you want to? Now you know now your people. Now Nigeria people are still do live video for. I not do one for you go. May they see what they happen. You see the camp. Since when the dawn just come on, everywhere just changed totally. See everywhere. See life. You see where people even they sleep. They shit, they do everything, they brush teeth, you see, and they still use them. See pots, all those ones later now they'll still use them to take off. You see, the thing, God, see come. Zito, you know now when we don't do this camp that time when we did, things like this not they happen now. You know now, things like this not they happen. Since when don't just come out and everything just get abused. Now this one be the done when every day now. Now your pass so now this one be the done when just say they just bring old bank and we just they keep Nigeria people. Just they disturb all the old black for you. Especially Nigeria, now just they root for where we are. Many people just stay here now, they spend 4 years, 5 years, no document. And since when this man just come, they just pursue the people when they say they feel they sleep for the height for inside the compound. So the thing with me. Now the dump is this one. Now the dump is this one. Just answer. You now see the life. Congo, that man don't go. That was Zombo when he did that center room. That man don't come out to that black people man when he shot. He don't die this morning. Shoot it down. Maybe this one. The man be this one, very wicked man.
Posso parlare un minuto? Allora, Obi sapeva.
Let we hear what you want to talk now.
Posso parlare un minuto? Posso parlare un minuto?
Sì, parla.
Posso parlare un minuto? Sì, parlare. Non vuole? Parlare. Non va bene? Allora. Spegni. Allora. Obi era in ospedale. Ha chiamato me perché ha voluto uscire, ma lui sapeva che stava morendo. Lui sapeva che era gravissimo. Io gli ho detto, torna dalla tua famiglia, ti pago il biglietto, chiedo io a questura permesso speciale per tornare.
I don't even know why the guy don't even go Africa. So. He was sick for many years now. He don't even go, for many months now. He don't even go Africa. He don't even go Africa. He don't even get body again to go Africa again. Yes, you go carry sickness, come forward, bro. Only go distress people in the house.
Purtroppo le malattie ci sono. Obi aveva malattia gravissima. Perché voglio vedere la tua famiglia, ti pago il biglietto, vai con la tua casa.
Never deal with him.
Sapevo io, ma sapeva anche lui.
I don't just know. I don't just think I'll be
Allora, questo è colpa di...
Bro, maybe if I leave this in cafe, you don't hear what they happen. Carry your problem, go that side first. You know they hear what they happen. So now person dies, so they go they ask me that.
Allora, avevo un bambino di 7 anni. Un figlio di 7 anni è morto. È colpa di... Perché... Oh! Ma perché fa così? Ma perché fai così? Ma perché fai così?
They don't even know.
Ma perché? Perché fai così?
Look at...
Perché fai così? Ma perché fai così? Perché fai così? Io ho parlato con calma, ho spiegato. Perché fai così?
I wish I could put that moment video during this course.
Allora, io non ho chiamato ambulanza, io ho chiamato ambulanza. Io ho chiamato ambulanza.
Document when this guy not get now, they want to document for her now. As they want bury another, they'll do document. Document when the guy not get to when this again against the this one now. Make them come, make the police even come, make them come. Make them come here. Make them come, make them come. When they worry themselves. Make them come. Everybody go come out. Everybody come out. What's up with the pity say make them our brother, make them not go cool, make them not go cool. What's up with the shut up? Let everybody go, make them not say everybody just go. Why do they suffer person like this for a person they come for 4 years, 3 years, they don't give a document? Why? 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 Make them no, they're not come here, no, they're not come here, no, they're not come here. No, they're not come here. Make them not climb up, oh. Make them not just climb up. Make them not just make them if they climb up, things go worse too. They'll go bring the document now. Let that car out. Make them not climb up. Make them not climb up. If they climb up, if they climb up, if person die, they don't get feeling.
What are they shoot gun for that side? What are they shoot gun they come? God punish all of you now. Useless whites, useless Italians, useless whites. What is this? Fucking racist. Fucking racist.
Cristiano, whatever.
Fucking racist people.
That Cristiano is a bad person.
God punish you now.
Don't come and go give person. Don't they?
God punish all of you now. Fuck culo Italia. Fuck culo.
They don't get up and now. What did they not get for? How about
You know, police don't come. They don't go enter. If they try and enter this up, all the old tools when we hide that here, we know where for hide down.
You don't die. You don't die. Don't come out like today.
You don't prepare. You don't dare. They don't prepare these documents.
These people know say this man knows.
Yes. They don't prepare these documents. Down. Easy.
Nobody say if I hear you come back Africa. Why not come back Africa?
Why not Ghana go Africa? Why you not gonna say Ghana go Africa?
You see, police just the park they come. Sure, now they see police for there. I be now they see them. Now near them. I don't want to near them. They just they make them go. They don't go wear me. They say all of the evil people. See them. On reach down for them. Oh.
If police go inside, it's a bad problem for everyone. Please explain to them to shut up. So I'll try. Sorry, I only ask you to try if you can try. Because if they decide to go inside after this bad situation, because it's not possible that inside every.
But do you know all the blood they are suffering in this country? The place they sleep, the place they live is not good for them. You know. But do you know you can't sleep this far?
Okay.
Do you know that?
I explain.
You can explain to me.
Decide for you.
This is not good for what Italian we are doing black. Everybody we have the same color, we have the same everything. We are living, you have blood. You have blood in your body.
This situation, what changed?
What changed? But people they are maybe sometimes now another person will change to get you because because the place they sleep is not good for them.
I only say is that what we have to do now, if you want to change the situation, you have to change.
Okay, you change this situation.
No. In this camp, this is the end. Because this camp is only for the first emergency. It's not a camp.
First emergency. Okay, it's contract, something like.
It's not a place to stay.
Okay, it's a contract. I know it's a contract, but many of them they don't have documents. They have some. My brother.
If a big problem became bigger, it's not good. I want to explain this. I don't try it.
But can you follow me to Pine Box so that you will see where this guy fell down this morning?
That will help from us.
But that place, that man is living, it's not good. That man is not feeling fine, and that man is not eating well. Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. But you are in this camp since when I come. Do you remember when you take? You are the one that bring me this camp. You are the one that bring me this camp. Do you remember?
But I remember that
You remember how many
years?
How many years?
How many years?
It's 4 years. No, almost going to 5 years.
After 1 year, 2 years, you have to change. Not stay in the same place.
Not to stay in the same place.
Of course.
But you don't even need something for me to have documents.
But you receive documents.
I don't have documents. You know that. What did I do? Did I fight since when I came this country?
It's not mine. It's not my job to give you a document.
It's not your job. But you are the one that bring me this country.
Because the police asked us to bring you here. This is the
But
mechanism.
people, they don't have documents. Some have, some don't have. But the ones that don't have documents, what do you want them to do? Do you think that one first?
If you don't receive
If me have documents, I can decide to leave today. Do you know that?
you have documents.
I don't have. If I have documents, I decide to leave this country today. Today. If I have documents.
Until when?
Until when? If you make control for me to have documents now, I will not come this country.
But it's not possible to give a document to everyone.
Because if I don't have documents, I can't leave this place.
Mister, it's not this the solution. The solution is not that if you don't receive document, you don't go out. You have to change another solution.
Another solution.
Of course.
So
the world is
what
not
is the
finished
solution?
without.
You know, without documents, no another solution in this country.
If you know something about Italy, you know something about Italy.
Yeah.
If you don't receive document today, if you don't receive document tomorrow, if you don't receive a document after tomorrow, two solutions. Or you come back, or you wait in a different place, because maybe after 5 years, Italy gives the sanatoria. You understand what is sanatoria?
No, I don't understand sanatoria. I don't understand that one.
It's a mechanism because Italy, after 5 years, 10 years, see that we have 1 million people inside country without documents and open a new window to receive documents. It's a different place. Don't stay here.
I want to beg you for one thing, just for today. You know, we see every day, I greet you every time about. I used to cut hair here. You know, since when I come this country. Do you know? Can you just make something good to us? Do you know one day somebody will die? It's one day maybe you will just drive a car, you know, that's just it. The life is just a minute. Just try to change this place. I know you can do it. Me know you can do it.
I try to change this place, but I receive different stop. I
Try to make something documentary for everyone.
In my job, I try to change in good this game. But I receive only.
Okay, now many people are sleeping here again. I know sometimes they used to fight in this place. But it's not good. Me no, it's not good. It's not good.
I never see.
But since when this new dawn, it makes things to change for our blood.
This new dawn.
Number one, this man just started putting gate for every day, camera everywhere. We are not an animal. Something like are we in this? I don't understand this company anymore. I'm big 5 years in this community. Do you know I witness everywhere? I don't talk. I'm not supposed to be in this, but I'm supposed to be on my own. But you guys will not give places documents to look for some job to do. It's not good.
It's not.
I know you can do it. You are the one that take me to this. That first question, the day I come this country, I complete the first day.
We can decide.
You can't decide for the story.
No, it's different. In your country, you decide for your voice.
I tell them my story. You ask everyone his story.
Yeah, oh brother.
You say real life.
You real life, brother. Now he go journal on it now. All right, a bonny boy. My brother, no, Christian is a bad person. Oh, he's not brother.
What could call the police?
For my that's my mother running camp now. For almost going to 4 years, me running camp now. Or is it maybe it's me that my mother tanemo? Me real life now. Me di call bro. Now that see where they live. See, me video am again. First now. Now live video. Who your neighbor here?
Ok, ma Facebook name.
See where the brush. See us everywhere. Now those spots when you see people under here. See the toilet. See everywhere. See where people they live. It's when they just change that man when they cut down. That one so. Now they know. They're not fit talk. 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 Make them climb, but make them see where they sleep. They're not fit talk. May I ask them whether they will fit sleep here? May I ask them now? Police go. If police climb, but we go sleep this night with me today for here. Maybe if you be around. They're not climb up. Oh. Me not the tour. Just they watch them. Just they watch them. What if we want to go? Those people they're too wicked.
Fuck off.
We stand with the time and say, you want to go rush me, go complete me when me come this camp. You don't know what you use me do. We say na contract, the contract don't finish.
You know, we do everything.
And they do live video, never caught. See where the man, may I go open door. See where the man they sleep. Now here, see Mary, when the man they give the man. See where people they sleep. See camp. The person who me now say every day now, not the breathe well. See. Evil people. Now Italo people and I see people when they say if they chop you, no go no. They will just they pet you down. Italo people, they wicked. They wicked where. Fifty say they go handcuff Dompe. Egbe wa ki love me go egbe love me. Which food you chop? Which food you chop? No, not talk now. Maybe I change this door. Since when this door come, I don't see how this can come. Right. See.
cheat or fall for us. For Rambo. Oh, so I'm there. First one of us.
You know this, you revenge, you know, I can't.
You know they be like that for Nigeria. You know, hospital, person go hospital, even person do operation.